evening, everyone. Today we are going to explore the topic that intrigues all of us, the science of happiness and what truly makes us joyful. Happiness is a complex emotion influenced by various factors from biology to personal choices. We delve into the science behind happiness, which contributes to it, and discuss practical ways to enhance our well-being. Let us start by understanding what happiness really means. Happiness. Happiness is often described as a state of well-being and contentment. Psychologists distinguish happiness as hedonic happiness, which is derived from pleasure and avoiding pain, and eudaimonic happiness, which is derived from leading a meaningful and purposeful life. Research shows that both of these happiness contribute differently to our overall sense of joy. The role of genetics. Genetics play a significant role in our baseline level of happiness. Studies suggest that approximately 50% of our happiness is influenced by our genetic makeup. This means that while we might have a natural predisposition toward a certain level of happiness, there is still plenty of room for growth. By understanding genetic tendencies, we can work on enhancing our happiness through intentional practices and choices.
The impact of social connections. Social connections are crucial for our happiness. Research consistently shows that strong relationships and social support contribute significantly to our well-being. Positive interactions with friends, family, and community provide emotional support, increase our sense of belonging, and boost our mood. Maintaining and building these connections can have a profound impact overall on our happiness.
Gratitude is a powerful practice that can enhance our sense of happiness. Studies have shown that regularly expressing gratitude can increase our overall well-being and life satisfaction. Simple acts like keeping a gratitude journal or expressing thanks to others can help shift our focus from what we lack to what we have.
Our physical health is closely related to our happiness. Regular exercise, balanced diet, and adequate amount of sleep helps to contribute in our emotional well-being. Physical activities releases endorphins, which are also known as feel-good hormones. A nutritious diet and a proper rest helps to regulate our mood and energy level.
Finding meaning and purposeness in life is another key factors in happiness. Engaging in activity that aligns with our values and passion can lead to a sense of fulfillment.
Whether it's through work, hobbies, or volunteering, pursuing meaningful goals that help us feel more connected to something greater than ourselves, enhancing our overall sense of joy and satisfaction.
To conclude, let's discuss some practical tips for boosting happiness in our lives. Incorporate mindfulness and meditation practices to stay present and reduce stress. Set achievable goals and celebrate small victories to maintain motivation. Engage in activities that bring you joy and foster positive relationships. By applying these strategies, we can actively work towards a happier and more fulfilling life.
Thank you for joining us today and exploring the science of happiness. We hope that you leave with a great appreciation which will make us really happy. Have a nice day ahead.
Thank you.